Guys, good morning. Today, I'm gonna show you the things that I usually bring every time I go to work. So, today, gagamitin ko yung bag na to kasi medyo marami akong dadalhin. Pero minsan, pag konti lang yung dala ko, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, first, I always bring with me an eco bag kasi minsan after work namamalengke ako. Kaya, yan, an eco bag. And then, of course, yung aking lunch, nakalagay na siya dito. And then, lagi ako may dalang tumbler. Although, meron na rin akong tumbler dun sa locker sa work. Pero, I always bring with me my tumbler. And then, ito ginagamit ko to for my instant soup. And then, snacks. And then, yung pouch na to, ang laman nito is my charger, battery pack, at saka yung aking AirPods. So, lagi magkakasama to in this pouch. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi hindi siya bag. And then, my mini fan. Kasi medyo mainit na ngayon, guys. And then, mini towel. Ayan siya. And then, yung sa isang bag ko naman, my wallet, key holder, yung coin purse ko, and then, itong point cards dito nakalagay. Yan yung aking company ID. So, ganyan usually guys yung dinadala ko when I go to work. So, this one and this. Ayan. So, I'm ready to go to work.